everyone, I'm Anu and you're watching Explore to Shine. I hope all are doing well. In this video, we are going to present Excel questions that has multiple answers. So grab a paper and pen to write the answers and check for your scores. I'm really hoping that this is going to turn out an informative video for you and I'm super excited. Before we proceed, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. Then, what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Questions with multiple answers. Topic MS Excel, Session 5. The first question. Mention the elements of MS Excel window. Name the elements of title bar. Mention the options available in alignment group. Your fourth question, mention the different types of alignment. Fifth one, what are the options in insert cell dialog box? And the sixth one, what are the options in delete cell dialog box? Just pause the video, try to write the answers and play the video to check for the right answers. Shall we check the answers? The answer for the first question, name the elements of MS Excel 2007 window. We have title bar, office button and tabs, ribbon, quick access toolbar, status bar, formula bar, sheet tab and scroll bar. Here, title bar, office button and tabs, ribbon, quick access toolbar, status bar and scroll bar. It appears in all the applications in MS Office. Whereas the elements that are new in Excel window are formula bar, which also has a name box, as well as the sheet tab, which is used to move from one sheet to another sheet. So the answer for the next question, name the elements of title bar. So what is that you can see in your title bar? We can have the name of the application, file name, close button, maximize button or restore button, and minimize button. Hope you're guessing the right answers. The answer for the third question, mention the options available in alignment group. So we have vertical and horizontal alignment, orientation, increase and decrease indent, wrap text, and merge and center. So moving on to the next question, mention the different types of alignment. We know there are two types of alignment, horizontal and vertical, and horizontally they can be aligned left, center, right, and vertically they can be aligned to top, bottom, and middle. Next question, what are the options in insert cell dialog box? The options in insert cell dialog box, you'll have shift cells right, shift cells down, entire row, and entire column. So next question, what are the options in delete cell dialog box? We have shift cells left, shift cells up, entire row, and entire column. Moving on to the next set of questions. Seventh one, mention any 5 types of charts. Mention the 3 different types of operators. Ninth one, mention the different types of workbook views. Mention the options in comment group. Mention the different types of addressing mode. and mention the different ways of filling data using fill drop-down list. So now pause the video, write the answers and play the video in order to check the answers. Shall we check for the answers? So the answer for the 7th question, mention any 5 types of charts. We know there are 11 types of chart. Among them, you can mention any 5 types. So they are column chart, line chart, pie chart, bar chart and area chart. 8th one, mention the 3 different types of operators. So we have arithmetic operators which are used to perform addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, and we have relational operators which is used to compare 2 or more numbers. Next, coming for logical operators, we have 3 logical operators, and, or and not. So the 3 different types of operators are arithmetical operators, relational operators and logical operators. 9th question, mention the different type of workbook views. So there are 5 types of workbook views: normal view, page layout view, page break preview, custom views and full screen. So answer for the next question, mention the options in comments group. So what are the options available in comments group? We have an option to add a new comment, to delete the comment, to move to the previous comment and to move to the next comment, show or hide comment and show all comments. Next question, mention the different types of addressing modes. Relative address, absolute address and mixed address. 12th one, mention the different ways of filling data using fill drop-down list. So we have the option to fill your data down, up, right, left, series, and you also have across worksheet and justify. So these are the different ways you can fill your data. So next one, mention the different ways of clearing the data. List the functions displayed in the AutoSum drop-down list. List the 5 types of commands in ribbon. Name the tabs where chart tools are located. Next question, write the extensions for the following file type. First one, macro enabled Excel workbook. Next one, Excel template, web page, Excel add-in and Excel workspace. So pause your video, write the answers and then play the video to check for the answers. So the answer for the 13th question, mention the different ways of clearing the data. So you have clear all, clear contents, where only the contents will be removed, format is retained there. And the next one, clear formats, where only the formats will be cleared, contents will be left. And lastly, clear comments, only the comments will be deleted. So these are the different ways of clearing the data. So answer to the next question, list the functions displayed in the AutoSum drop-down list. So the function that is being displayed in the AutoSum drop-down list are, first one we have sum function, average, max, min and count function. So next one, list the 5 types of command buttons in ribbon. We have simple buttons, drop down menu buttons, dialog launcher button, checkmark buttons, and dimmed buttons. The answer for the next question: name the tabs where chart tools are located. So firstly, we have insert tab where you can insert the chart into your worksheet. And then in order to format this, we have three different tabs, that is design, layout, and format tabs. Next question. Write the extension for the following file type. So when you save the file as macro enabled Excel workbook, then the extension will be XLSM. And for Excel template, it is XLTX. For web page, it is HTML. For Excel add-in, it is XLAM. And for Excel workspace, it is XLW. So next set of questions. Write the text function to execute the following actions: to remove extra space, to find the total number of characters, join several strings, repeat a string for certain number of times, to compare two text strings. The next question, write the function used for the following: adds a range of cell contents, finds the average of a range, inserts current date and time, finds the highest value in a range, counts the number of cells having values. So for the answer for these questions, before that, pause the video, write the answers, and then check for the answers. So the function to execute the following actions: first function, to remove extra space, we use trim function. And to find the total number of characters, we use len function. To combine several text strings, we use concatenate. Repeat a string for certain number of times, we use repeat function. We use only rept. And to compare two text strings, we use exact function. So next question, write the function used for the following. So adds a range of cell contents, we are using sum function. In order to find the average of a range, we are using average function. Inserts current date and time, we are using now function. And which finds the highest value in a range, we are using max function for it. And lastly, counts the number of cells which is having values, we are using count function. Next question, write the output for the following function execution. So equal len, happy, equal left, happy times, so 5. Proper, welcome, which has been given in uppercase. Next we have find Raj within Umesh Rajan, and starting location is 1. Next, upper, computer. So what are the outputs for these function execution? Write the function used for the following: to find the square root of a number, to find the factorial of a number, to return the default value of pi, to retrieve month from a date, to find the day of a date. So answer for these. So the result for the following execution, that is equal len, happy, So what is len function used for? It is used to count the number of characters which has been present in that particular word. So happy, we are having 5 letters in that. So the answer will be 5. Next one, equal left, happy times, and 5. So left function, we know it is used to retrieve the characters from the left side, and here they are mentioned that it has to 5 number of characters has to be retrieved. So left side 5 characters is nothing but happy. So the output of this will be as happy. Equals proper, welcome. So what is the use of proper function? It is used to convert only the first letter of a word to capital letters. So here it is being given in capital letters. So here the word welcome is being given in capital letters. The output of this will be welcome. Only the first letter W is being capitalized here. Next function, find Raj in Umesh Rajan, and your starting number is 1. So find, it will help you to find the position where Raj is being found within Umesh Rajan. So the answer for this will be 7, because Raj starts from the 7th location. Next one, equals upper, computer. Computer is being given in smaller case. When you are using upper function, this will be converted into capital letters. So the answer for the next question, write the functions used for the following. To find the square root of a number, we are using sqrt. To find the factorial of a number, we are using fact, fact of a number. Then to return the default value of pi, we are using pi function. To retrieve month from a date, we use month function. And to find the day of a date, if a date is being given, you want to find out which day it comes, then we are using the function called text. So give the date and then the format in which you want. So next question, write the error message displayed in cell during the following action. Column width is not wide enough to accommodate the data. If the formula is trying to divide a number by 0, if the formula contains incorrectly spelled cell or function name, if the formula contains invalid reference cell, and if the formula contains non-numeric data. The next question, arrange the operators according to their precedence. Plus and minus, parenthesis, asterisk and division operator, exponential operator. The answer for this question, write the error message displayed in the cell during the following action. Your first action is, if the column width is not wide enough to accommodate the data, we get hashes displayed in that particular cell. And the next, if the formula is trying to divide a number by 0, then the error message will be hash divide /0. And if the formula contains incorrectly spelled cell or function name, the error message is hash name. And if the formula contains invalid reference cell, the error message will be as hash ref. If the formula contains non-numeric data, then the error message will be hash value. Next question, arrange the operators according to their precedence. So when performing actions which is having all the operators, which will be performed first? So the highest precedence, is it for plus and minus, brackets or parenthesis, multiplication and division, and exponential operator? So the first precedence will be for parenthesis, next exponential, third is for multiplication and division, and finally it's for addition and subtraction.
That's all for today's session. If you like this video, put a thumbs up and share it to your friends. See you in my next video. Until then, take care and keep smiling.